First on the list is the electric mini food chopper. This gadget is a total game changer in the kitchen. It's small, portable, and powerful enough to chop vegetables like onions, garlic, ginger, tomatoes, or even nuts. In just a few seconds, it works with a single button. Just press and hold, and you get evenly chopped ingredients without the tears or hassle. It usually has stainless steel blades, a USB rechargeable battery, and it's very easy to clean. The size makes it ideal even for small kitchens or travel cooking kits. Pros: quick chopping, portable, low noise. Cons: small capacity, not ideal for large batches. If you make Indian curries, sauces, or chutneys regularly, this tool will literally save you 15 to 20 minutes every day. Next up is the digital kitchen weighing scale. If you're into baking, dieting, or just want to cook more precisely, this is a must-have. It gives you accurate readings in grams and ounces, usually up to 5 kilograms. That means you never have to guess. Measurements, again. Perfect for recipes where precision matters, like cakes, breads, or keto diets. Many models come with tier function, so you can reset the weight after placing a bowl. It runs on simple batteries, and the display is clear even in low light. Pros: accurate, lightweight, sleek design. Cons: battery operated, so keep a spare. Using this scale, you'll notice a big improvement in your recipe outcomes and portion control. The third gadget is small but super practical. Silicone oil brush with a built-in oil container. It allows you to store oil in the container and apply it smoothly while cooking. Great for brushing oil on rotis, parathas, tandoori items, or even on grill pans and dosa tavas. Because of the silicone bristles, it doesn't absorb oil like traditional brushes, which saves oil and keeps things hygienic. It's heat-resistant, easy to clean, and great for air frying or healthy cooking with less oil. Pros: easy to use, less oil waste, reusable. Cons: might leak if stored upside down. Honestly, this one's a small investment with big benefits.